Hello and good morning. I hope that you're doing well. So to third lesson, and now we will learn how to spell the English alphabets. So the lesson of today, how do you spell that? For example, when I'm talking about my name, I would ask you about how do you spell that, or how do you spell your name? So the lesson is about how do you spell that. TCA hakkında öyle. So vocabulary, we will learn how to pronounce the alphabet. And as you know, pronouncing the alphabet is very important, especially if you pronounce it correctly. Because in English, it's totally different than any other language in pronunciation. Especially we have so many vowels to pronounce. Even we don't have a lot of vowels, but we have so many others vowels to pronounce and so on. By the time you will learn, we have, for example, A, and we have so many different ways to pronounce A in English. We have D, we have C, we have D, we have E, we have F, we have G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There's a lot of vocabulary in English. So for example, I want to spell my name, and my name is Hajar. I will just say H-A-G-J-A-R, Hajar. This is how I write my name. For example, your name is Ilin. In Turkish, Ilin. In English, I will just spell it like this. E-L-I-N, Ilin. Or for example, I just want to spell the word English. So how can I write the word English? Nasıl English yazabilirim? Böyle yapacaksın. E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. And we use this way when you go to a hotel or you go to a foreign country. You just need to you spell your name because you're already hoyine. Ne zaman yabancı olduğu zaman insanlar senin ismin nasıl yazabilirim bilmiyorlar artık. Ondan her zaman seni soracaklar. How do you spell it? Ya da bir şey yazmak bilmiyorsun İngilizce'de. Hemen soracaksın öğretmen ya da herhangi bir kişidir. Böyle soracaksın. How do I spell that? How do I spell that? Bu çok önemli bir soru. Neden? Çünkü yazmak için yani. I'm trying to speak Turkish. So, over here, you will hear how to pronounce. Over here, we have pronunciation, as I told you. We have 8, and this is a sound, 8. 3, and we have a long E. We have 10, 10. We have I, 5. Oh, no. We have you. We have and it's a really long. I told you. Yani bir harf A harftir. Yani onun telaffuz baya farklıymış. 8 bir tane farklı bir pronunciation telaffuz vardır. Yani bir tane var I, A, and so on. It's totally different. Over here, you will listen to the alphabet again and write the letters in the correct place in the table. A, B, F. It's about how we pronounce them. I will just let you in the comment. I will just comment the corrections or the answers. Yorumlara ben paylaşacağım. Hafta sonu ama her hafta sonu yani bütün cevapları paylaşacağım. Yani hafta sonu cumartesi oluyor, pazar. Şimdi böyle listen to the sticker and correct the letter. You will just correct the letter. Which one? J or G? E or I? F or V? C or S? A or R? R. Y or J? I or Y? K or Q or K? A or H? O or U? This is so many different and so many different ways to pronounce the alphabet. Depends on the word itself. Şimdi burada ne yapıyoruz? Sadece listening yapıyoruz işte. Listening. Neden listening bütün ilk unitleri listening daha yaparız. Neden? Çünkü daha yenisiniz dil için. Öyle önemlidir. En önemli bir şey dil için dinlenmek. En önemlidir. It's the first thing to learn in any other language. Şu an, for this, we have grammar listening question words. As I told you, it's very important. For example, name. What's your name? Osvaldo Aguilar. For example, how do you spell that? And you say Aguilar. Aguilar. It's Spain. Are you from Spain? Where are you from? Spain. Where in Spain? Barcelona. What's your phone number? Over here we will just use what and where. Ne and nerede and how nasıl. How do you spell that? So over here I give you the answers already when I know what's your name. The most important burada here, it's about how do you spell that. Yani nasıl bir tehcir yaparsınız. Böyle öğreneceksiniz, harfler öğreneceksiniz. Bütün zamanlarda otele giderken ya da bir konferans giderken ya da üniversite okuyanlar insanlar böyle çok ihtiyacım oluyor işte. So over here, what, where, and how. What is Kaelan. Kaelan. And you can spell the name of the streets maybe, or the country if the person doesn't know the country sometimes. So much beginning 1 to 5 to ending A to E. What's your name? It's already easy exercise for an adult learning a language. Now I guess I will just let you hear. I will give you an exercise in son activity veririm. Böyle listen to the conversation. After that we will continue tomorrow. See you soon and take care. Goodbye.
Audio 1.17 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Audio 1.18
All the letters of the English alphabet have one of these 7 sounds. A 8 E 3 E 10 I 5 O. No. U. R. You can learn the letters of the alphabet in these sound groups.
Audio 1.19. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Audio 1.21. 1,
G,
2,
E,
3,
F,
4,
C,
5,
R,
6,
Y,
7,
I,
8,
Q,
9,
H,
10.
O.
Audio 1.24.
What's your name?
My name's Roger.
How do you spell that?
R O G E R.
R O G E R.
Yes, that's right.